Hi, this is Tara McGillicuddy, and in this video, I'm going to let you know a bit about a free online event coming up that can be very helpful for people with ADD and ADHD. And it is the 10th Annual Tapping World Summit. You can learn more about this free event by going to worldtapping.com. So you can join 20 of the world's leading EFT tapping experts in this free online event. And they'll show you step by step how you can improve your finances, health, emotions, and much more. The free event, live event, starts on February 26th. But if you sign up now, like if you're listening to this before February 26th, you can access free bonuses before then. So sign up as soon as possible and you'll have access to some great stuff. I went to it last year and I was amazed. I found it really helpful. And I also used tapping myself. All right, so let's go through it. On the page, there's the event registration. You just enter your email address and name in like any other virtual event or telesummit. And the tapping has been seen on Dr. Oz, the New York Times, Women's Health, The Day Show, Martha Stewart, Huffington Post, Psychology Today, and more. And Nick Ortner, the person who runs the Tapping Summit, has over 1.1 million likes on his Facebook page. So that's a pretty good sign that he's a respected person. So in tapping can help you overcome emotional and physical challenges. And the World Summit shows you how to change it. I mean, you do tapping during the summit if you choose to. They're not going to force you to, but this is something where you're not just learning, you're actually doing stuff during this tapping summit. All right, so talks a bit about tapping, and it's all free. It's a 10-day event. It's free, and it talks about on the page the different experts say about tapping, and there's psychologists, there's doctors, there's a lot of people who really buy into tapping and can let you know that it actually is beneficial. So the event's free, and then there's people who have been before, and they give testimonials, and then so life-changing of 10 powerful days, and it may be more than 10 days. I know last year they added extra stuff during the summit, so I'm feeling they might do it this year. Okay, so day one, and this is the great thing, especially when you have ADHD, it can be overwhelming to have like 5, 6, 7 sessions in one day. So this only has 2 sessions a day, and I shouldn't say only, but that's reasonable if you listen to 24 and within 24 hours if you're not going to upgrade and buy the upgrade package. So day one, a life you love, use tapping to create your best self and best life. So talking about manifesting and how to thrive. I mean, this is definitely something people with ADHD can benefit with, from learning about. Day 2, getting unstuck. I know that is one of the most common issues people come to me in ADHD coaching is how to get unstuck. A lot of questions I'm asked, during Q&A sessions is how do I get unstuck? So day 2, this is definitely going to be great for ADHD. So Jessica Ortner talks about how to get unstuck and how to change. And then Margaret Lynch talks about getting grounded. And being grounded is very essential for people with ADHD. If you have not learned how to get grounded, what being grounded means, definitely check out this session. All right, so on day 3, they talk about how to protect your energy. And if you listened to my session at the ADHD Women's Palooza recently, you heard me talking about being an empath, and I talked about energy, and I've done some energy clearing sessions on my YouTube channel and over at ADD Classes. So this is definitely great for people with ADHD, because a lot of times we can be highly sensitive, not just an empath, but I know my colleague Terry Matlin talks about being hypersensitive. So day 3 is definitely has some great stuff for people with ADHD, and judgment detox. And I believe Gabby Bernstein was on Dr. Ned Hallowell's podcast Attention recently. So she's someone that I think people in the ADHD world are familiar with. All right. And then day 4, how to start healing and eliminate physical pain from your body. And that's something that I think just about anyone can benefit from learning about. All right, day 5, how to use tapping for lasting weight loss and body confidence. And again, this is something that a lot of people with ADHD deal with. There's a connection between obesity and ADHD and lack of body confidence. So this is something that, again, can be very helpful for those of us with ADHD. And day 6, understanding your core self, how to use tapping to get the most out of who you are. This is one definitely, who do you think you are, how to make shifts. We can all benefit from making shifts. And how to unlock your internal superpowers. That sounds cool. That sounds really interesting. The Genie in Your Genes, Dr. Dawson Church. I haven't heard him before, but that's definitely one that I'm going to listen to. It sounds intriguing. All right, day 7, Supercharged, how to use tapping in the law of attraction to increase your energy and results. I mean, productivity is something that I coach people on, and I do productivity programs. Wanting to be more productive and more successful and increase your energy is definitely something adults with ADHD really can tune into and benefit from. So then we're on day 8, workplace, success in the workplace. How to use tapping to perform at your highest level. And workplace, that's another common ADHD related challenge, is how to focus in the workplace, how to be more successful in the workplace. So this is definitely something to look into. Public speaking, the pressure, how to overcome work stress. I know that's a biggie for ADHD. So day 8, definitely a day to listen to if you have ADHD and you're going to go to the tapping summit. And day 9, emotional strength, how to use tapping to eliminate negative emotions and create lasting confidence. Yeah, negativity and ADHD, there's a big connection to that. I know over the past years at some of the ADHD telesummits, I've spoken about how to combat and battle negativity. And confidence, a lot of people with ADHD do have challenges with confidence. So day 9, clearing clutter with ease, let go. This is definitely one. Day 9, I think, is definitely one to listen to if you have ADHD. Day 10, your daily life, how to transform your daily habits in circle of influence. So habits are a big thing that we work on and talk about when you have ADHD. It's a biggie for ADHD coaching and adults with ADHD. So day 10, another great day. Transforming your circle of influence, how to help your family and loved ones with tapping. That's interesting, because here's this thing. A lot of us will come and learn stuff like tapping. We'll find out about it, and we want to help everyone else. So that's one to listen to. How do you influence or help those around you with tapping? And then the bonus day, this is the integration process and personal peace procedure. So definitely, so I think that's day 11, and then even more bonus presentations. So Donna Eden, protection about your energy. Carol Tuttle, what's next? How to make tough decisions and stay in line with your greater purpose, and decision making and prioritizing. That's another biggie for those of us with ADD and ADHD. So that's when I just recently listened to Carol Tuttle on actually a tapping podcast about a week ago, and I really liked her. Ileana Van Zandt, she's a big name, so that'll be interesting to listen to her. So we're already on day 11, or there's all these bonuses. So like I said, it does start Monday, February 26th, but if you are listening to this before February 26th, register right now before you forget, or before something else pops in and distracts you and takes your attention away, because life happens. So go to worldtapping.com, register now, and I'm pretty sure you'll have access to some bonuses even before it starts. I know I did last year, and I already signed up for this early, and there are bonus videos and audio. So there's a lot of stuff. And if by chance you find this after February 26th or after March when it ends, yeah, there is an upgrade package. You can upgrade and you can purchase these things, purchase these sessions things. But also the tapping solution, worldtapping.com, they have other stuff throughout the year. So if you find this afterwards and you miss the summit, still check out the worldtapping.com. There's going to be other stuff there, but check it out. Like right now, as you're listening, watching this video, sign up at worldtapping.com. I mean, there's so much stuff. And like I said, this is an ADHD friendly type of online event because, as you know, some of these telesummits and online events can be extremely overwhelming. You can have like 6 and 7 sessions in a day, and people expect you to listen to them the same day. So this is great. You can listen to 2 sessions per day, and you have 24 hours to listen to them for free. So check it out. And like I said, I've been I listened to it last year and I learned a little bit of tapping, but in all honesty, I didn't use it that much. And then all of a sudden recently, I was reintroduced to tapping again, and I've begun using it, and I have found it very helpful. So this is something that I'm going to be adding to the ADD Productivity Circle and my coaching. And make sure you're subscribed to my channel here, because I will be doing some tapping videos in the future. But definitely sign up now for worldtapping.com.